guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Snem Seleko keeping her promise by giving her father's bride an attire while other wives refuse. Her father's wife refuses to accept wife number 5, Samke. She kept a promise and provided an attire for her father's new bride, showing a side of her rarely seen on the show. The other wives, unwillingly to support the new addition of the family, have shown resistance, refusing to contribute anything to Samke's welcome. But Sne, determined to honor her commitment, stepped up and offered an outfit for the bride, keeping her word in front of the cameras. The refusal of the other wives to assist in Samke's welcome has left many concerned about the future of the family. Is this the beginning of even deeper division? Or can Samke just spark the acceptance of wife number 5? Can't wait to see how the new bride will be received at Mzumbe, and whether the act of goodwill will have any effect of the relationship within the household. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.